Hey guys, little update on the Bavaria bush. So for the one not knowing this tank, it has been starting more than 1 year ago, and this is a 50 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 250 liter in total, with this concept or design of island with a special plant soil that typically this is the Amazonia 2 from ADA, and locating all the plants here of course, and here you can see this is a kind of a sand beach where in theory fish they do have more space to swim. As you can see, it's plenty of fish are going pretty well. We do have even some breeding activity from this guy, female, male, and the result of this breeding activity, this is, for example, the kind of young fishes. Do we have even younger fishes right now? Here you have a even smaller one, you see? And no smaller, no, over there, you see in the plant. So I don't know why, but we do have the needs of these fish are properly covered in this tank, let's say. Out of that, a few weeks ago we lost the Japonica shrimps that used to clean all the tank. No idea why, maybe because we treat a product against the blue algae or the cyanobacteria. And maybe dosierung was a little bit too strong, I don't know. But by the way, this video is to show you the algae issue that we currently have, and it's really complicated to go out of it. I would say we can't solve it right now, even if we are trying as much as we can. And this is a nice palette of different algae. You have on the ground, it has been cleaned a few days ago, but you still here can see the cyanobacteria. After that you are other kind. You have the green one, you have the little brown one like a pencil, I don't know in English the name, but it's everywhere, different kind of algae and overtaking the tank. Why? No idea, even if I'm not doing enough tests to know the water. I just see that lightning is ok, CO2 is injected as usual, I would say, but something else started to go wrong, and algae overcomes the tank. So, as you can see, some stuff are already collected to do a reset of the tank. So it will consist in empty the complete tank, and clean decoration like the driftwood, talawa wood, and the stones are a bit special as well. This is ancient wood, what's the name? Fossilized wood stones. So it's a nice one when you can see them, but right now you can't. And after that, the other real reason to change, to empty the tank, in fact, this is here, you can see inside. The reason is that I haven't done here the connection properly. I took the risk to not glue it, instead just to fix it this way. And if I show you, this is a valve that you have under the tank. And for the same valve, you can set up different system. This is a current system, okay? With this, in English, sorry, I don't know it, but you can understand what I mean. It is set up this way, and I will change it with this way. Everything will be glued, so it will be definitive, in the way that you can't switch it for something else, but you don't use to switch it every month, I would say. The interesting part, this is you can't have any dripping or water issue because everything has been glued. So other than that, we will do a little upgrade as well in the CO2 injection system. Currently this is this one. So it's already acrylic glass here. You can't break it. It's an advantage. The other one, this is, you can see the little bubble are fine, but it's still some CO2 going on the surface. And in fact, we will change it with a CO2 injection injector or reactor from Aquamedic that we will put on the secondary line or on the primary line. No idea yet. We will see. And oh, if you are wondering what is this bifurcation here, in fact this bifurcation is going to the UV sterilizer from Aquamedic Helix Max 2 that you can see here, and it started. The little light show it that it's working properly. And currently it is set up this way, meaning that we are using the UV, but when you want to do some water change, quite easy, you disconnect it, you put this tubing, go to the bathroom or any evacuation, and you close this, you use the pressure of the filter, for example, and you throw the water away, and the same tubing after that bring back the water in the tank. What a nice integrated system to do an easy way water change that you are supposed to do every weekend. So that's all for the day. Of course, it will be coming soon a lot of work to reset an aquarium, to empty it first, take care of the fish, and after that rebuild it with some new plant. Not like, no, it would be too nice, but no, it does take a little bit effort. So that's all for the day. Hope everything is going fine at your place. See you next time. Ciao.